need a doctor's appointment. I need a doctor's appointment. The nurse checked my temperature. The nurse checked my temperature. The patient feels better today. The patient feels better today. The doctor gave me medicine. The doctor gave me medicine. I am waiting in the emergency room. I am waiting in the emergency room. The hospital has modern equipment. The hospital has modern equipment. The nurse brought a wheelchair. The nurse brought a wheelchair. My injury needs attention. My injury needs attention. The surgeon is very skilled. The surgeon is very skilled. I have a medical checkup today. I have a medical checkup today. The pharmacy is near the hospital. The pharmacy is near the hospital. The patient needs a recovery plan. The patient needs a recovery plan. The doctor explained my condition. The doctor explained my condition. The ambulance arrived quickly. The ambulance arrived quickly. I received a health report. I received a health report. The clinic provides good service. The clinic provides good service. The patient needs proper treatment. The patient needs proper treatment. The doctor prescribed new tablets. The doctor prescribed new tablets. The hospital room is comfortable. The hospital room is comfortable. I am recovering after surgery. I am recovering after surgery.